How to clear the cache memory of USB settings on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Hello everybody, you may follow up this step in order to do so. Open up your settings, and then after opening up settings, scroll down, go over to apps, and after going over here under the SEO app section, you should be finding a filter option. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, select the option called Show System Apps, enable it. After that is done, click on OK. And you may scroll down, or you may also even use the search bar. Go to the U section, and there you'll be finding USB settings. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, go over to storage, and then you will be finding clear cache option. Tap on it, and there you go. So that is how you basically clear cache on your USB settings. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.